If you've ever been stuck on the side of the road with your hood up, watching other cars fly past while you wait for help, then you already know how fast a road trip can go from exciting to frustrating. What most people don't realize is that breakdowns rarely come out of nowhere. They're usually the result of small issues that were ignored or simply missed. And that's exactly what we're solving today. In this video, I'm walking you through a complete car maintenance checklist before a long road trip so you can avoid costly surprises and drive with confidence. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'll share a few overlooked checks that most drivers skip, and they're often the real reason trips get ruined. And before we proceed, if you want more practical car tips like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit like, share this video with someone planning a trip. Also, drop a comment telling me where you're headed next. I have also shared Amazon links for the best deals on some of the car accessories I will be discussing in this video that you may need for your next road trip. Let's start with the most important part of your car, the engine. Everything depends on it, and if it fails, your trip is over before it even begins. One of the simplest yet most critical things you can do is check your engine oil. A lot of drivers assume that as long as the car starts, everything is fine. But oil breaks down over time, losing its ability to properly lubricate and protect the engine. If it's dirty or low, your engine has to work harder, especially during long drives. Before you hit the road, check both the level and the condition. If it's been a while, just change it. It's a small investment for a big peace of mind. Right next to that is your coolant. Overheating is one of the fastest ways to ruin a road trip. Whether you're driving through heat, traffic, or long distances, your cooling system needs to be working perfectly. Make sure your coolant is topped up and take a quick look for any leaks around the radiator or hoses. It only takes a minute, but it can save you hours of trouble. Now let's talk about something that often gets ignored until it completely fails, your battery. Your car might start perfectly fine today, but if your battery is already weak, a long journey can push it past its limit. Think about all the extra strain during a road trip, charging devices, using lights, running the AC, it all adds up. Check for corrosion on the terminals and make sure everything is tight and secure. If your battery is a few years old, it might be time to test or replace it before you leave. It's always better to deal with a weak battery at home than in the middle of nowhere. Now let's move down to one of the most overlooked but critical parts of your car, your tires. They're literally the only thing connecting your car to the road, and yet many drivers barely check them before a long trip. Start by checking the tire pressure on all four wheels, and don't forget the spare. Underinflated tires can lead to poor fuel economy and increase the risk of a blowout, especially at highway speeds. Take a close look at the tread as well. If it's worn down or uneven, your grip on the road is compromised. That becomes even more dangerous in wet or unpredictable conditions. A quick inspection here can make a huge difference in both safety and performance. Brakes are one of those things you don't think about until you really need them. If you hear squeaking, grinding, or feel vibrations when braking, that's a clear sign something needs attention. Even if everything feels normal, it's still worth checking your brake system before a long drive, especially if it's been a while. Reliable brakes give you confidence, and that confidence matters when you're driving in unfamiliar areas or dealing with sudden stops. Now let's talk about visibility, because driving safely isn't just about how your car performs, it's also about what you can see and how well others can see you. Check all your lights, headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and hazard lights. It may seem basic, but one faulty light can create a dangerous situation, especially at night. Your windshield wipers are just as important. If they're leaving streaks or making noise, replace them before your trip. Clear visibility is something you don't appreciate until you suddenly don't have it. A long trip isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about staying comfortable along the way. Your air conditioning system plays a huge role in that. If it's not cooling properly or airflow feels weak, it could be something as simple as a clogged cabin air filter. A comfortable cabin keeps you alert and reduces fatigue, especially on long drives. Now here's something many drivers overlook completely: belts and hoses. These components may not be visible all the time, but they are essential for your engine's operation. Over time, belts can crack and hoses can weaken. If one fails while you're driving, it can lead to serious damage or leave you stranded. A quick inspection before your trip can help you avoid that situation entirely. Fuel might seem like the simplest part of your trip, but there's more to it than just filling up the tank. If your car has been running rough or you've noticed a drop in fuel efficiency, it could be worth addressing before your trip. A clean and efficient fuel system helps your car perform better over long distances, saving you both money and stress. No matter how well you prepare your car, unexpected situations can still happen, and that's where a properly equipped emergency kit becomes a lifesaver. Before heading out, make sure you have a fully inflated spare tire, along with a jack and lug wrench that actually fit your vehicle. It sounds obvious, but many people don't check until they really need them. You'll also want a reliable set of jumper cables, or even better, a portable jump starter, which can get you back on the road without needing another car. A first aid kit is essential for handling minor injuries, and pairing that with a flashlight and extra batteries ensures you're not stuck in the dark if something happens at night. It's also smart to carry a set of basic tools, like screwdrivers, pliers, and an adjustable wrench, because sometimes a quick fix is all you need to keep moving. For safety, always include a reflective warning triangle or safety vest so other drivers can see you clearly if you're pulled over. Adding a portable air compressor or tire inflator can save you if your tire pressure drops unexpectedly, especially in remote areas. And to go a step further, consider packing a tire repair kit, tow rope, and even a fire extinguisher, because while you may never need them, having them can make a critical difference in an emergency. Finally, don't overlook comfort and survival basics. Carry some bottled water, non-perishable snacks, a phone charger or power bank, and even a blanket, especially if you're traveling long distances or through areas with unpredictable weather. It's not about expecting the worst, it's about making sure that if something does go wrong, you're fully prepared to handle it and get back on the road safely. Before you leave, make sure all your important documents are in order. Your license, registration, and insurance should always be within reach. On the tech side, update your navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze. It's also a smart idea to download offline maps in case you lose signal along the way. A reliable route can save you time and unnecessary stress. Here's something simple but incredibly powerful that most people skip. After checking everything, take your car for a short test drive. Pay attention to how it feels, how it sounds, and how it responds. Sometimes small issues only show up when the car is moving. Catching them early can save you from dealing with bigger problems later. Ultimately, a road trip should be about freedom, adventure, and making memories, not dealing with breakdowns and unexpected repairs. Taking the time to go through this car maintenance checklist before a long road trip gives you peace of mind and confidence behind the wheel. If this helped you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit like, and share this video with someone planning a trip. And I'd really like to hear from you, so drop a comment below with your own tips or experiences. What's one thing you always check before hitting the road? Also, remember to check the Amazon links I have shared in the description to grab the best deals on the car accessories you may need for your next long road trip. Grab them to make your next trip stress-free. Thanks for watching till the end, and stay safe on the road.